Artificial language, our next chapter for logical reasoning. Artificial language is an interesting part of logical reasoning, where coding and decoding of information is done by using an unusual pattern of alphabetical arrangements. In this type of questions, first you will be given a list of 3 nonsense words and the English word meanings. The questions that follow will ask you to reverse the process and translate an English word into the artificial language. For example, the first question. Here are some words which are translated from an artificial language like GORBL, FLUR means fan belt, PIXN, ZORBL means ceiling fan, ARTH, TUSL means tile roof. Which word could mean ceiling tile? Now in these kinds of questions, you have to check first 2 things. 1. The phrases with common words. Like in phrase 1 and 2, we can see fan belt and ceiling fan. So fan is the common word. And the second is, in which order does the words are arranged in the artificial language? So for example, if we check now fan belt and ceiling fan and check the artificial language and find out the common word, then in both the artificial language, the common terms are GORBL. Hence, GORBL means fan. And if we check the order, fan is in the same order that it is the real language that it is in the artificial language as well. In the first phrase, fan comes first, and in the first artificial language, GORBL comes first. And in the second phrase, fan comes second, and so as GORBL in the artificial language. So we can understand that the pattern remains the same for the third phrase as well. Now after decoding the meaning of fan, that is GORBL, we can decode the meaning of belt and ceiling. Belt will be FLUR and ceiling will be PIXN. Similarly, the pattern in tile roof would be ARTH will be tile and TUSL will be roof. Now if we find out the meaning of ceiling tile, then it must be PIXN and ARTH, which you can see in option D. So the right option is option D. Next example, HAPLLESH means cloudburst, CRENCHOCH means pinball, RESBOSRENCH means 9-pin. Let's take the phrases with common words, that is pinball and 9-pin. And the common letters in the artificial language are SRENCH, which is there in both the artificial languages. So pin means SRENCH and it also follows the same order. That means pin comes first in the SRENCHOCH case and pin will come second in RESBOSRNCH case. Then we can easily decode the meaning of ball, that is OCH, and meaning of 9, that is RESBO. Now the question is asking to find the meaning of cloud9. Then we can easily check the second half of the options that would contain RESBO. Now here RESBO in the second half is in option D. Then if you cross check the first half, that is HAPL, then we can see HAPL in the first artificial language, which equals to cloud. So the required option is HAPL RESBO, which means cloud9. So the option here is option D. Next example, AGNO SCRENIA means poisonous spider, DELANO CRENIA means poisonous snake, AGNOS DERRY means brown spider. Now the common phrases are poisonous spider and brown spider. And the part of artificial language which is common is AGNOS. So we knew the meaning of spider, that is AGNOS, but here spider is not maintaining the order in artificial language. Means in the real language spider comes second, but in artificial language spider is coming first. So here the order is reversed. Then if we try to decode the meaning of other words, then here poisonous will be CRNENIA and brown would be DERRY. Now, if the question is asking which word could mean black widow spider, then first we have to find the word spider from the options. Now, every option here has the word AGNOS in it. But as here the order is reversed and in the given question spider comes last, so in the options spider must come first. So according to this condition, option A and D are not suitable. So the only two options that can be considered are option B and C. Now if we see the second half of option B, that is DELANO, then according to the statements that means snake. But the question is not asking about snake, so the option should not have any word which means snake. So option B is also not acceptable. So the only option left is option C. So by ruling out the wrong options, we are getting the right option as option C. Next example, MOOLAKAM means blue sky, WILKO SPADI means bicycle race, MOOLAWILKO means blue cycle. Which word would mean race car? Now let's see the first phrase and the third phrase where blue is common. Then after comparing the artificial language, we can see the meaning of blue as MOOLA. And the other required observation is it also maintains the same order. That means blue comes first in all the cases. So here the meaning of sky will be KAM, the meaning of bicycle will be WILKO. Then in the statement 2, if the meaning of bicycle is WILKO, then the meaning of race will be SPADI. So the meaning of race car will be any option which start with SPADI. So here we can see two options which starts from SPADI, that is option B and option D. So option A and C are ruled out. Now in option B we can see the second half as WILKO, which means bicycle. But here we are not asking about bicycle, we are asking about race car. So this option is also ruled out. So the only option which is left out is SPADI VOLO, that is option D.